welcome back to another video. I know I haven't uploaded in a while, but today I'm actually going to head up to the Conowago Creek in eastern PA, fishing for some red-eye bass, some smallmouths, and some different kinds of panfish. That creek's loaded with a bunch of different species, so yeah, we're going to head up to there. I'm going to fish with a variety of baits. I'll probably try mostly worms out and other baits, but yeah, I'll see you guys at the creek.
They're not even taking the bait, they're just nibbling at it. At least the fish that I'm...
Yeah, I saw a few. I'm gonna cast it out right here.
That was a bad cast. I lost.
There he is. Got one. It's not a bad one.
You gotta go catch some other than
I can't catch.
Got one, guys. Not a bad little first fish. Whoa. Whoa. Nice little panfish, guys. We'll get a release.
I have no worms. Give me a worm.
Nice. All right, guys. That fish actually took my bait, so I'm going to have to get some more bait on. I'll catch you guys when I'm fishing again. Oh, there he is. Nice. Sweet. Nice fish, guys. On the worm, me and my brother, we're just casting over at this spot and seeing if we can get any more fish out of here, because, yeah. Decent sized little sunfish, though. Sweet. See you, buddy. It out and hopefully we got one. Oh, I just had a little bite. Got a fish. Nice. Don't know what it is. Oh, sweet, guys. I was just talking about how I really want to catch a red eye, and got one. Perfect. On the worm right past this channel. That's sweet. Just gonna unhook him. Alright. Tiny little red eye. He definitely did put up a good fight though. See ya, buddy. I'll catch you guys with the next fish. Okay, guys, fishing again. My next cast, just waiting until I get a little tap or a tick to notify me that I have fish. I definitely am feeling a bite, so I'm gonna set the hook. Got one. Oh, it's a nice fish, I think. Nice. Nice little red breast sunfish. Beautiful fish. Whoa! Calm down, buddy. Right in the bottom lip. Perfect hook set. Another beautiful little fish. Let him go. Well, thanks guys for watching. Hit that notifications bell, like button, and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm sorry this one was kind of like weird, fast video that just happened like in a weekend, like just a random weekend. It's because the coronavirus has kind of messed like a lot of my scheduling and fishing stuff up. I couldn't even go to Mentored Youth Trout Day because it was closed. We couldn't get any fishing in, so I just wanted to come fishing today and make a nice little video fishing a cool little river. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.